Hey everyone, today as you see I am on the creditcard.com carecredit.com login page. So as you see this page is a bit different from other credit card login pages because there are two choices for login. They are login for consumers and login for providers. So I want to talk about Care Credit Card for consumers. So firstly, I want to say that you can get instant credit decision without impact to your credit score, and you can apply online anytime, and also you can call their phone to apply, and the phone number to apply Care Credit Card is 1-800-677-0718. So you can also call this number for apply for Care Credit Card. And if you are abroad, after your application, you can start using your Care Credit Card immediately. And transactions of $200 or more are eligible for promotional financing options. And you can use your card at over 260,000 locations, and your credit card can be used over and over again at locations that accept Care Credit for out of pocket costs for dental, veterinary care, cosmetic treatments, skincare, and more. So as you see, if you pay and if you have expenses for this for care, so I think you need to have this credit card because Care Credit Card have many benefits for you. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and please like and share my video. See you, bye.